Let us start exercise 6b. Question number 9. Solve for x 16 in bracket a minus x upon a plus x whole raised to power 3 equal to a plus x upon a minus x. Here you cross multiply. So we will get, for 16 I have written 2 raised to power 4, and we will get a minus x raised to power 4 equal to a plus x raised to power 4. Taking the fourth root of both the sides we have, so here we will get 2 in bracket a minus x plus a plus x. From here we can do both way, or either you just multiply it and solve the simple question, very simple, or if you want to apply the componendo and dividendo, you can apply the componendo by dividendo. Just take it as a denominator a plus x upon a minus x, as per the hint given in your book also. You can proceed in that way also. Here I have just multiplied and solved it, and a is equal to x is equal to a upon 3. Now proceed to question number 10. Solve for x 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x plus x square equal to 171 upon 171 in bracket 1 plus x upon 1 upon 172 into 1 minus x, where x is not equal to 1 or x is not equal to minus 1. On cross multiplication we get 1 minus x plus 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square whole upon 1 plus x upon 1 minus x plus x square. So just if you have remembered the algebraic formula, you can straightway write down 1 minus x whole cube upon 1 plus x cube. So it will be equal to 171 upon 172. By invertendo, we can write 1 plus x cube upon 1 minus x cube and 172 upon 171. By componendo, we have 1 plus x cube plus 1 minus x cube. Here the x cube and x cube will be cancelled and upon 1 minus x cube. Here 172 plus 171 upon 171. You see, if you solve it, you will get 2 here. So 2 upon 1 minus x cube equal to 343 upon 171. You see, just cross multiply, just multiply 171 by 2. So we will get here 1 upon x cube equal to 343 upon 342. Just invert it by invertendo. 1 minus x cube upon 1 will be equal to 342 upon 343. So what you do, that you just transpose 342 upon 342 to the left hand side. So 1 minus 342 upon 343 will be equal to x cube. So solve it. 343 minus 342 upon 343, that will be the x cube. If you solve it, you will get 1 upon 7 cube. So x will be equal to 1 upon 7. This will be the answer of question number 10. Now proceed to the question number 11. Here question number 11. If x is equal to root a square plus b square upon root a square plus b square. Here plus root a square minus b square whole upon a square plus b square root minus root a square minus b square equal to x by 1. By componendo and dividendo we get, here you see, x plus 1 and x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1. For this we have to write root a square plus b square plus root a square minus b square plus root a square plus b square minus root a square minus b square, that is the denominator part. Now in the denominator part here we have to write the previous numerator part, that is root a square plus b square plus root a square minus b square minus root a square b square plus root a square minus b square. So you see, root a square minus b square will be cancelled by this, because both are the same thing but the signs are different. Here it is plus and here it is minus. So both will be cancelled. In the denominator part also you see root a square plus b square minus root a square b square will be also cancelled. So in the numerator part we will get, you see, first x plus 1 upon x minus 1, that will be the 2 root a square plus b square upon 2 root a square minus b square. So and 2 will be cancelled. On squaring both sides we will get x plus 1 whole square upon x minus 1 whole square will be equal to a square plus b square upon a square minus b square. On squaring this you will get x square plus 1 plus 2x upon x square plus 1 minus 2x. Here on the right hand side you will get a square plus b square upon a square minus b square. Here we can just write by reverse process of componendo and dividendo we get, you see, x square plus 1 plus 2x, x square plus 1 minus 2x. So x square plus 1 will be the numerator part and 2x will be the denominator part. Here a square plus b square, a square minus b square. So this will be the numerator, this will be the denominator, denominator part. You see, I have written here x square plus 1 upon 2x will be equal to a square plus b square. This will give you cross multiplication. You see, b square x square minus 2a square x plus b square is equal to 0. It was to be proved. Now question number 12. If y is equal to root of a plus 3b plus root a minus 3b, root a plus 3b minus root a minus 3b, so that 3b y square minus 2ay plus 3b equal to 0. By applying componendo and dividendo, from here you see I have written here y plus 1, y minus 1. Because here you can just y upon 1 write down if you want more clarification. So just y upon 1, that will be clear here. So y plus 1 upon y minus 1 will be equal to root a plus 3b plus root a minus 3b plus root a plus 3b minus root a minus 3b upon whole upon a plus root a plus 3b plus root a minus 3b minus root a plus 3b plus root a minus 3b. You see, this is positive, this is negative, but the things are same but only the signs are different, therefore it will be cancelled. Similarly, in the denominator part you see root a plus 3b minus root a plus 3b. both will be cancelled and we are left here y plus 1 will be equal to y minus 1, that is equal to twice of root a plus 3b upon twice of root a minus 3b. Now squaring both sides, just we cancel 2 and 2. So on squaring we will get y square plus 2y plus 1 upon y square minus 2y plus 1 will be equal to a plus 3b upon a minus 3b. Again applying componendo and dividendo, we get y square plus 1 plus 2y plus y square plus 1 minus 2y upon y square plus 1 plus 2y minus y square minus 1 plus 2y. On the right hand side you write a plus 3b plus a minus 3b upon a plus 3b minus a plus 3b. That will be equal to, you just cancel it, you will get 2a upon 6b. So 2 and 6 will also be cancelled, that you will get a upon 3b. Here you see, I have written 2a square plus 2 upon 4y. You see, just to take 2 common from the numerator part and 2 from the denominator part, it will be cancelled and a upon 3b. This will be equal to y square plus 1 upon 2y, that will be equal to a upon 3b. Cross multiply it, you will get 3b y square minus 2ay plus 3b equal to 0, and it is proved here. Now question number 13. If a cube plus 3a square 3ab square upon 3a square b plus b cube equal to x cube plus 3x square y 3xy square upon 3x square y plus y cube, so that x upon a is equal to y upon b. Applying componendo and dividendo, we get, you see, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a square b plus b cube, means numerator plus denominator. On the denominator part, write down a cube plus 3ab square minus 3a square b minus b cube will be equal to x cube plus 3xy square plus 3x square y plus y cube whole upon x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square y minus y cube. So just reshuffle it, rearrange it. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You see, the descending order of the power of a and the increasing order or the ascending order of b. You see, b square b cube, a cube a square a. So it is the square of cube of a plus b whole cube. Similarly for the denominator also, so a plus b upon a minus b whole cube will be equal to, here similarly also, here x plus y whole cube, because x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. So on the right hand side you will get x plus y upon x minus y whole cube, and the left hand side a plus b upon a minus b whole cube. Taking the cube root of both the sides, we will get a plus b upon a minus b will be equal to x plus y upon x minus y. By reverse process of the componendo and dividendo, we have, you see, this is the numerator, this is denominator. So numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. Similarly here also x will be the numerator, y will be the denominator. So numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So you can just write down there the by reverse process of componendo and dividendo we have a upon b is equal to x upon y. By alternando we can write, you see, x upon a will be equal to y upon b, and it was to be proved, hence it is proved.